Jai Hind, dear students. In this video, I will be discussing about the various types of rocks and rock cycle. Basically, there are three types of rock. Those are igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. So, the three types of rocks are igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. We should know that how these rocks are formed. For example, this is the surface of the earth, and when the magma which is inside the earth, due to the heat and pressure, when this magma it tries to come out, and it is spread on the surface of the earth, and it cools down, and it become a rock. The rock formed in this pattern is known as igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are also known as primary rock because they are the first rock which are formed in the rock cycle. These igneous rocks, they are of two types. First one is the intrusive igneous rock, and second is the extrusive igneous rock. So let's see how these rocks are formed. For example, if this mountain is there, and here inside the earth's surface the magma is there, and when due to the heat and pressure it comes out on the surface of the earth, and when it cools down here on the surface of the earth, the rocks which are formed like this, they are known as extrusive igneous rock because they are cooling on the surface of the earth. They are known as extrusive igneous rocks. And here also, this magma also, it will cool down, and this type of rocks, they are known as intrusive igneous rocks because they cool inside the earth surface. The Deccan Plateau is example of extrusive igneous rock. It is made up of basalt rock, which is a example of extrusive igneous rocks. So now we know that the first rock was the igneous rock. Now let's see how these sedimentary rocks are formed. Sedimentary rocks are the second rock in the rock cycle. For example, this is a mountain is there, and here magma is there. When it comes down, here the igneous rocks are formed, and when this igneous rock they come down, they roll down, and they break into small pieces, small granules, and they form a layer. Small they will be forming a layer. So various layers they will be forming. These types of rock which are formed like this, they are known as the sedimentary rock. As in the sedimentary rock you will find various layers, in this only you will be finding the fossils. Now what are fossils? So here you can see the definition. Fossils are the dead remains of plants and animal which got trapped in the layers of rock. So in the sedimentary rocks you will find various layers, and in various layers between the layers you will find the fossils. They are being trapped, and this process it is not of 1 or 2 years. Again it took millions of years to form. Now we have seen that igneous rocks, and second we have seen the sedimentary rocks. The third rock is known as the metamorphic rocks. When the sedimentary rock, it more and more pressure is exerted on the sedimentary rock, it turns into metamorphic rock. Marble is a example of metamorphic rocks. Now, let's discuss some uses of rocks. Rocks are very useful for us. The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses, and buildings. So, these are the uses of rocks. Now, we will be discussing about the rock cycle. This picture you can see, this is known as the rock cycle. Basically, what is a rock cycle? A rock cycle is the process of transformation of rock into another. That is known as the rock cycle. When one rock changes into another, this process is known as rock cycle. So let's see, the first, here you can see the first is the magma, and from magma the first rock which is formed is known as the igneous rock. We have seen igneous rocks, again there are two types, intrusive igneous and extrusive. And when this igneous rock, they are rolled down and they are broken into sediments, broken into pieces, they form a layer and they form the sedimentary rock. And in sedimentary rock only you will be finding the fossils. And when more pressure is exerted on the sedimentary rock, they change into metamorphic rocks. And again, this metamorphic rock, they change into magma, and in this way the rock cycle is completed. So again I will explain you rock cycle. Rock cycle is basically the process of transformation of rock from one to another. When this molten magma it come outside, it become igneous rock, and when this igneous rock they are broken into pieces, they are brought into sediments, and when the sediments, more pressure is exerted on them, they convert into metamorphic, and again this metamorphic, it is converted into magma. So this is known as the rock cycle. Now, rocks are made up of different minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. Minerals are very important to humankind. Some are used as fuel. For example, coal, natural gas, petroleum. They are also used in the industries. Iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc. in medicine and in fertilizers also. So today we have discussed about the types of rocks and rock cycle. Hope you have understood this. In the upcoming videos, we will be discussing the question answers of this chapter. Till then, take care, thank you, and Jai Hind.